Imagine being able to bring any vision to life, from an ultra-realistic photograph that makes your mouth water to an anime scene so vibrant it feels ripped from your favorite show, all in seconds. Today, I'm revealing 20 mind-blowing image styles you can make with ChatGPT, complete with prompts you can copy right now. Welcome to Make AI Smarter, where we explore the coolest ways to use AI in your creative projects. If you've ever thought AI art was just for tech wizards, think again. These styles are easy, fun, and incredibly versatile. Whether you're making YouTube thumbnails, story illustrations, business graphics, or just jaw-dropping art for your socials, ChatGPT's image generation can do it all. So let's jump in. First up, photorealism. Ultra-detailed images that look like they were shot by a professional camera, perfect for ads, food photography, and product showcases. Cinematic style adds mood, depth, and drama to your images. Think movie posters, story illustrations, and attention-grabbing thumbnails. Anime style is ideal for character design, fan art, or visual storytelling. Bold lines, vivid colors, and expressive faces make it instantly recognizable. Cyberpunk delivers neon lights, rainy streets, and futuristic tech vibes. It's perfect for sci-fi concepts, dystopian storytelling, and game art. Watercolor brings a handmade, gentle aesthetic to your art, ideal for greeting cards, children's books, or cozy wall prints. Pixel art channels that old-school video game vibe, great for indie game design, social media icons, or nostalgic throwbacks. Low-poly art simplifies objects into polygon shapes, giving a modern geometric look, perfect for app graphics, explainer videos, and stylized environments. Clean, precise tone strips everything down to simple outlines, perfect for coloring books, logos, and minimalist designs. Fantasy art is your doorway to magic, dragons, enchanted forests, and mythical worlds, ideal for book covers, RPG maps, or dreamlike posters. Steampunk blends Victorian elegance with mechanical innovation. Think gears, goggles, and brass. Great for costume concepts, retro sci-fi, and world building. Isometric illustrations give you a clean, 3D-like view without perspective distortion, perfect for infographics, app UIs, and architectural concepts. Pop art bursts with color, bold outlines, and that vintage comic book feel. Great for posters, merch, and attention-grabbing social media posts. Oil painting style adds rich textures and depth, perfect for traditional art prints, portraits, or historical scenes. Charcoal sketches create raw, expressive imagery with deep shadows and rough textures. Great for mood boards, concept art, or character studies. Ink wash painting, or sumi-e, brings a minimalist elegance with fluid brushstrokes. Ideal for Zen-themed designs, calligraphy art, and tranquil scenes. Vector flat design is clean, scalable, and perfect for branding, web icons, and explainer videos. Neon Glow style is all about high contrast, electric colors, and a retro-futuristic vibe. Perfect for posters, event flyers, or cyber themes. Minimalism keeps it clean and simple, using only the essentials. Perfect for logos, posters, or sleek social media visuals. Graffiti brings bold, rebellious energy to your visuals, great for music promotions, youth branding, or edgy merchandise. Fantasy maps are perfect for novels, tabletop games, or world building. They combine cartography with creativity. If this blew your mind, imagine what you could create. You now have 20 powerful prompts ready to go. So don't just watch, try them out. Comment below which style you loved most, or share your own AI image experiments. And hey, if you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next AI Creativity Deep Dive. The future of art isn't just in the hands of traditional artists anymore. It's in the hands of anyone with imagination and the right tools. With ChatGPT, you can turn ideas into visuals in seconds, explore countless styles, and push your creativity beyond limits. Thanks for joining me here on Make AI Smarter. Now go create something amazing!